BabyBus.
Kids, shall we go to the amusement park?
Yes, let's go! I love the amusement park!
The room is messy. Your toys are everywhere. You can go out after cleaning up the room.
How can we clean up this mess?
Don't worry. Let's put the toys back first.
Let's do it together.
Together, you should put it back after you play with it.
Block, block, here is a toy block. Let's take the block to its home together. You should put it back after you play with it. All the toys are in their places. What should we do next?
You did a great job. The room is so clean now. Let's go to the amusement park.
Yeah! Baby gets organized. Do you guys want to go out and play soccer? Yeah, come on! You should organize the toys before you go, okay? Doo-doo, but we want to go now! Oh, no! I think Doo-doo is right. Let's put everything away first. We can do that after we come back. Let's go! But you guys!
We should have listened to Doo-doo. If the toys were put away, Momo wouldn't have been hurt.
Kiki, let's ask Doo-doo to help Momo with her foot. BabyBus, toot, toot, toot. Little magic, shine, shine, shine. Hello.
Doo-doo, we apologize for our behavior earlier.
Doo-doo, Momo hurt her foot. Do you think that you can help?
Oh, I got it!
This amazing spray can heal Momo's foot immediately!
let's put all the toys away, okay?
Okay! Remember to put away all the toys after you're done playing so no one trips on them. Keep that in mind.
Please do not litter.
Rock, paper, scissors.
It's my turn to catch you.
Catch me if you can.
You are so fast. Whoa! Huh? Was it you who threw away the banana peel, Whiskers? You are so mean!
Got another one.
Huh? What happened?
Miumiu, what are you doing here? Whiskers, you threw plastic pieces at me. I was just having fun with Kiki, and then you came. Whiskers, it's bad behavior to litter in the park, and blah, 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 blah.
Whiskers, you should apologize to Miumiu.
No, I won't.
If you really are a big boy, then you should admit your mistakes.
But I don't want to.
Miumiu, calm down.
It's all Whiskers' fault.
What should I do? Ha! I got it! Miumiu, let's call Doo-Doo.
Okay.
BabyBus, toot, toot, toot! Little magic, shine, shine, shine!
Ta-da! I'm here! What happened, kids?
Doo-Doo, Whiskers littered everywhere, even threw plastic pieces at Miumiu. He doesn't want to apologize, and Miumiu is very upset. What can I do?
Whiskers made the mess? Then he needs to clean it up.
All of the garbage. All of the garbage?
Yes, all of it. Whiskers, littering will destroy our environment and even do harm to our health.
It's just trash. I don't believe it. Oh!
Trash will pollute the air and water, and the smell will attract flies and cockroaches.
Oh no. I'll put the trash in the garbage right now.
Momo, is that Whiskers? Yes. What is he doing over there?
He's picking up the trash.
Whiskers knows how to protect the environment.
Oh, is he going to clean up all the trash in the park?
Yeah, I think he is.
Whiskers?
Whiskers, I'm so proud of you. You cleaned up the mess all by yourself.
You really care about the environment. We should make everybody learn from you.
It's nothing. I can clean up all the trash quickly. Oh, it's too much work for me.
Kids, we should keep the park clean. Throw the trash in the garbage can, okay?